All right, let's start with the swim platform.
Copy that. Bag's ready for the scrap.
Good. Keep an eye on those propellers.
The mold's everywhere. It's structural.
Noted. Check the cabinets for water damage.
On it. This is bad.
Corrosion spread to the main relays. Documenting the oil leaks here. This pipe is nearly breached. Noting it, structural stress too.
This mold is everywhere. I'll take this out. Document the wiring too.
Engine's at full throttle. She's performing perfectly. Incredible speed. The restoration is flawless. Handling like a dream. What a beauty. Cheers to the team. Down slow, watch the edges.
Steady, keep it level.
Aligning now, guide it in.
Set, lock it down.
Alignment is spot on. Securing this section now. Ready for the next panel? Almost there, looks perfect.
The main saloon nears completion. Leather sofas are fitted with precision. Lighting and wood accents are finalized. Craftsmanship defines the Sunseeker 82. Running the main feed up to the panel now.
Good. Keep it clear of the generator lines. Breakers are secure. Testing the circuit. Looks good.
In the Sunseeker shipyard, the restoration of hull 278 continues. The fuel and water tanks are lowered into position with precision. Craftsmen secure the tanks and connect the vital lines.
Let's get these linens on. Straps are secure. Good. Pillows next. Careful with the velvet. Aligning the main feed line now.
Copy. Ready with a connector.
Securing the bilge pump fitting.
This is the galley fit-out on the Sunseeker 82 yacht. Premium appliances are being installed with precision. Every detail is crafted for luxury on the open sea. From rough beginnings to pristine perfection. Every detail restored, every line perfected. The Sunseeker 82 yacht, transformed and ready.
Alignment pin is set, torque to spec. Hoses are secure, moving to the electrical bus. Good, check for leaks. This side secured. Good, running the main cable. Hand it over. Connecting the bank now.
Control valve is aligned. Good. Faucet is ready here. Tightening the head now.
Looks perfect, almost done.
The restoration of the Sunseeker 82 is now complete. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to perfection. A timeless classic, reborn for the modern age.
Engine diagnostics clear.
Safety checks complete.
Fenders secured. Right, all aboard.
Ready for open water.
Confirmed. Let's go.
Fenders secure, lines checked. Deck clear, ready for trial. Engine systems nominal. Final checks complete, ready to depart.
Restoration complete. Testing top speed.
She's flying, what a transformation! Incredible, capturing all of it.
Performance metrics are spot on. A successful finale.
This sunset is breathtaking.
It really is. Cheers to this.
The yacht is perfect for it. Absolutely.